In the previous two videos, I showed you how to live stream a course on your website, and I've done this with OBS Studio and also with Zoom. And in this video, I want to show you how to embed one of the live streams on your um, website, so any page on your site. So what I need is WP Stream, of course. So to get that, I'm going to plugins. I'm clicking on Add Plugin, looking up WP Stream. And from here, you will see that it's already active and installed and everything. Now I'm going to WP Stream credentials and connecting my account. So as you can see, I'm already connected from my previous two tutorials. And if we go to all channels, we'll see that we already have this online course over here. So under the title online course, we have hashtag ID 6. So first, let's turn on this channel. And for the purpose of this video, we will use OBS Studio. But let's go back and figure out where we want to embed our live stream. So I'm thinking right over here. So let's click on Edit Site. And I want to add it right over here. So let's add a block or an area over here where we want to add a short code. So let's look up short code. Click on this. And here we want to paste the short code from WP Stream over here so that we can actually embed it. So you will find it down the description board that you can copy and paste, or we'll also link an article down below. But I want to copy this number 6. So just remember number 6. I'm going back to this area, and here is the short code that we need, the WP Stream Player short code. And there's also an ID number 1234, and we want to replace that number with number 6. And just like that, we've just embedded the live stream. So let's publish this, let's save it, and let's go check out how it looks like and if we're happy with how it looks like. So here is the live player. We're currently not streaming, but I don't really like how it looks like because it's pushing the rest of the section. So I'm just going to go back and change it up a bit. So I'm just going to add it over here on top. Let's save this and let's go check out the page once again and see how it looks like and if we're happy with it. Okay, so this looks much better. So the player will be here and we want to actually go live. So we've already turned on our channel. Let's go to settings and here we want to go to stream and under service custom and we want to copy paste the server and stream key from this channel over here. So click on go live with external streaming app and like I said, we're using OBS Studio. I showed you just a few seconds ago and we're copy pasting the server and stream key over here. Okay, and start streaming. Now let's go back to our page. Here is our live stream. And just like that, you can embed the player, the live player, on any place on your website, on the home page, on another landing page, on a blog, wherever you want, you can simply embed your player with the live stream. Once you're done, click on stop streaming. And that is basically it on how to embed a live channel or a live stream on a page. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.